Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 28th, 2024, almost end of the month. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8096. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. And for 4-stars puzzle, I need, it's indicated with 4 stars, 30 minutes or more. Well, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes in there. More dual boxes? No. How about triple boxes? Do we have a triple box in this puzzle? No triple boxes here. How about quadra boxes? I see here 1 quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box, look, we have this shape. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Well, we have here another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. Alright, and we have another one here. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And here we have another one, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. We have more? No. Then the following shape, we have another one here. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. We have only one L shape. And we have a final shape here. This shape, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes surround the one can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Then these two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 in this area could be here, could be there then. Together with the 1, we have a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, a 1 and a 5. Alright. And this box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Okay. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quarter box for number 3. Alright. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be 3. That box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me go down. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. But also those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 1, but also that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be a 1. That box can be, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 to 5. 3 to 5, okay. These two boxes can be 5. We have a double 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 4 goes there. 3 to 5, we have 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5 for the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 5, but also that box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Well, I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Okay, this can be 2. Okay, need a 4 here. Well, this box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be all 5. Then this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 and 4. 2 or a 3 here. Okay. Well. Let me think here. Let me think. Let me think. Let me go up. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5, because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely 5, is connected with that box, should be also 5, is also connected with this box, should be also a 5. Then this box can be a 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 1. Let me mark those. 2 and 1. Here, I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be so 2. I think this box should be 3. Because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3. Can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Alright, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2. Well, we have a double 2 there, so I cannot place the 2 here. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we saw 1. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Wow. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. And faster than 30 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.